Hello, you nature files. We're here in Wentworth Falls and we are about to do the Darwin's Walk. Previously the Charles Darwin Walk, but for whatever reason they've renamed it because they've renovated after some landslides and whatnot. It's also the start of the Grand Clifftop Walk, so if you're doing that, you want to start here as well. A little fact about this track, it was the first place I ever filmed one of these hiking videos, but I never shared it because I was too embarrassed and kind of regret it. Anyways, we're here to do it together, so let's go check it out. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. So we basically want to keep following the path towards Wentworth Falls picnic area. So unfortunately this is probably one of the only eyesores along this walk, and it does kind of detract away from the whole feeling of being in nature, but this is what you got to deal with. So this is actually one of the spots where I filmed a piece to camera the first time I tried to do this, but you never saw that, so here we are. Obviously it's very windy, as you can hear. This track is a lot better than the first time I did it, but you get to experience this version and not the other muddy version. Yeah, So, as you can see, the track is still currently under repair up until this point, and you have to cut back to the main road and then walk your way back to Wentworth Falls if that's what you're here to see. Unfortunately, we don't get to do it all this time, but trust me, I'll be back to do the completed one, along with the whole Grand Clifftop Walk when this is all repaired. If it eventually gets repaired, we'll see. Anyways, I'll head back to my car via the same way I walked, so I don't need to film it, and I'll wrap up there. So that was the Darwin's Walk trail. As you can see, unfortunately a section of it is still closed despite being marked as open on the National Park's website. Still a beautiful walk and very easy to do if you're just looking for a short one and you're passing by. I'll probably come back and do the whole thing once the Grand Clifftop Walk is clear again and do a video all in one go of that. So look out for that. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it and come check it out for yourself. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, and I'll take care of you. Bye, beautiful people.